Alright, APUSH Unit 5 review in 1 minute, let's go. The time period is 1844 to 1877, the first marking the acceleration of westward expansion and the second marking the end of Reconstruction. So this unit is positively dominated by the Civil War. So first, what caused it? Well, the short answer is the bitter fight over slavery. And what really amped up the fight was a little thing called Manifest Destiny, which was a belief that fueled American westward expansion. And thanks to the annexation of Texas and the Mexican-American War, a new spat erupted about whether slavery could be extended into the newly acquired Western territories. And our boy Henry Clay tried to solve that problem with the Missouri Compromise and then the Compromise of 1850, but that band-aid only worked so long on the nation's gaping neck wound. So Abraham Lincoln was elected in 1860 without a single electoral vote from the South, and that got them cranky enough to secede on account of they didn't trust him to protect their interests in slavery, and then we got a civil war. And that leads to the second part of this unit, which is how the Civil War was fought. In a nutshell, the South had many of the advantages in the beginning, not least better generals, but ultimately the North's industrial capacity and comparatively larger population and government won the day. And that leads us to the third part of this unit, Reconstruction. It went real bad, not least because Lincoln was assassinated and that left the irascible Andrew Johnson to deal with it. So the 13th through 15th Amendments ended slavery and acknowledged the rights of black Americans. And then Reconstruction ended because of a stanky deal in the election of 1877, which allowed Southerners to largely return to their old ways. And that's it. I'll see you in Unit 6.